Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi here. In this video, I'm going to talk about coal and petroleum. Natural resources. What does it mean? The resources provided by nature or obtained from nature are called natural resources like coal and water. On the basis of availability of resources, they are categorized into exhaustible and non-exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources, resources which are present in limited quantity in nature and can be exhausted by human activities are called exhaustible natural resources. Example, forests, wildlife, etc. Non-exhaustible natural resources, the resources which are in unlimited quantity in nature and are not exhausted by human activities are called inexhaustible natural resources. Example, air, water. Fossils and fossil fuels. Fossils, the remains of dead plants and animals which are buried under the rocks millions of years ago are called fossils. This is an example of the fossils. Fossil fuels, the remains of dead plants and animals are called fuels. The fuels formed by the remains of dead plants and animals are called fossil fuels. Main fossil fuels are coal, natural gas, and petroleum. Coal. Coal is a fossil fuel and is hard as stone. It is used to cook food. It is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. It is also used as an industrial fuel. Carbonization. A coal contains mainly carbon. The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Coke. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance obtained from the coal. It is almost a pure form of carbon. Destructive distillation. The process of heating wood or coal in the absence of air is called destructive distillation. Coal gas. It is a gas obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. It can be used as a source of light and heat. Coal tar. It is a black, thick liquid obtained as product during processing of coal to get coke. It is a mixture of 200 substances. Many of its products are used as starting material for manufacturing large number of substances such as dyes, drugs, perfumes, naphthalene balls, etc. Petroleum. Petra plus oleum, that is rock oil. It is mined from between the rocks under the earth. It is a dark oily liquid from which many valuable substances like petrol and diesel are obtained. Natural gas, CNG. This is compressed natural gas. It is a very important fossil fuel. It is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. Refining of petroleum. The process of separating the constituents of petroleum is called refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Constituents of petroleum are petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax, lubricating oil, and bitumen. Bitumen, it is used for road surfacing. Black gold, petroleum is known as black gold because of its commercial importance. Petrochemicals. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are called petrochemicals. Petrochemicals are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers, polythene, and other plastics and fertilizers. Coal is as hard as stone and it is black in color. In earlier days, coal was used to cook food. When coal is heated in air, it burns and produces carbon dioxide gas. The world's first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania in 1859. The first well was drilled in India in Meckham in 1887. Refining of petroleum is carried out in the petroleum refinery. Natural gas is stored under high pressure, and as compressed natural gas, CNG is used for power generation. Burning of fossil fuels are also linked to global warming. PCRA stands for Petroleum Conservation Research Association. If you have any doubts or clarifications, feel free to contact me at my email ID. Thank you, everyone.